Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to fix Chrome not downloading file on Windows 11. So first guys, open open Chrome browser and then click to three dot and then click on download. Okay, so you can see nobody downloaded. Then click download, scroll down, then you can see in the download option. Okay, change locations to different locations. Okay, like select download to document and then select this folder. Okay, you can see this is selected document. And one more options, if you want to try different locations, ask however to save each file before download. So first asked and again then start downloading. Okay, and then close it, then again open the Chrome browser, click on three dot, click on setting last, then privacy and security, scroll down, then click the computer browsing data, select all time and select the browsing history, cookies, cache, image files and download and click to delete it. Okay, and then click to performance, select a standard reloading, extended and then close it. Next options, click to start, type run, then type Intel CPL dot CPL. INETCPL.cpl. Okay, and then click to OK, then security and click on the set default zone default level and then apply and then OK. Then guys, next and very important, click to start, type PowerShell and right click to run as administrator and then click yes, then type sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. After that it will start the percentage and totally corrupted file to recovered. When it is completed 100% now, then guys need to restart your system, your laptop and desktop, and then please check it. Thank you.